The National Green Tribunal was established in India in answer D 2010. Taxes on income other than agriculture income shall be levied and collected by the Government of India under Article of India answer D 269. In the classification of power in the Constitution of India, education falls in answer A concurrent list. Under which article of the Constitution of India can the Indian Parliament make laws under the residuary powers? Answer C. Article 248. Finances and distributed between the central and the state on the basis of the recommendations of the answer D. Finance Commission. Which of the following items come under the concurrent list? Answer D. Labor welfare. Which constitutional mechanism is adopted for the distribution resources between the center and states? Answer A. Indian Finance Commission set up at the interval of 5 years. Indian Constitution allows state legislature to pass. Answer B. State budget. Education under the Indian Constitution is included in answer A. The concurrent list. Agriculture under the Indian Constitution is a answer C. State subject. The number of subjects enumerated in the concurrent list for purpose of legislation. Answer D. 47. Grants and aid are provided for in the Constitution of India under articles answer B 275 and 282. Law and order is included in the answer B union list. In India, non-agriculture income tax is answer B levied by the center and shared with the states. The total number of Panchayat Samiti in West Bengal is answer C over 341. Panchayat Samiti is an organization associated with answer A block. Among all Panchayat Samiti seats, seat reserved for women is answer A 1/3 of the total seats. Panchayati Raj was first started in answer A Rajasthan. A system of Panchayati Raj existed even before 1947 in answer A Tamil Nadu. The powers and responsibilities of the Panchayati Raj and be revised by the answer D state government. The establishment of a Gram Sabha becomes mandatory by answer A the 73rd Amendment of the Constitution. The power and responsibility of Panchayati Raj institution can be revised by answer A state government. Which of the committees or commissions made recommendations for granting more powers and responsibilities to the Panchayati Raj? Answer D. Mehta Committee. Which of the following gets special representation to Panchayati Raj institutions? Answer C. Women. Panchayati Raj was started in India in the years answer A 1959. The government of West Bengal introduced democratic elections to be local bodies in answer D 1978. The decision to hold panchayat election is taken by the answer D state government. How many amendments to the Indian Constitution have so far been made? Answer A 103. By which amendment of the Indian Constitution were the fundamental duties of the citizen inserted? Answer A. 42nd Amendment. Which of the following amendment of the Indian Constitution deal with the anti-defection law? Answer D. 52nd Amendment. By which amendment of the Constitution was the minimum age of voter lowered from 21 to 18 years? Answer A. 61st. Indian Constitution can be amended under Article? Answer D. 368. The first Amendment Act to the Indian Constitution was made in the year? Answer D. 1951. By which amendment of the Constitution of India the right to property was excluded from the fundamental rights? Answer B. 44th Amendment. Which amendment of the Constitution provided constitutional status to the panchayats? Answer D. 73rd Amendment. Which Constitution Amendment Act guaranteed the right to education for all Indian citizens? Answer A. 86th Amendment. The 109th Amendment of the Indian Constitution relates to? Answer A. Reservation for SCs and STs. The word socialist and secular were inserted to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by the? Answer D. 42nd Amendment. Which amendment of the Constitution reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Answer D. 61st Amendment. The minimum age for being eligible to vote in the Indian election was reduced from 21 years to 18 years in the decade of? Answer B. 1990s. No person shall be deprived of his property, movable and immovable. Answer D. This is an ordinary right. To be guaranteed the status of the official opposition in a legislature, a political party must have at least? Answer C. 10% of elected members. Sikkim became a full-fledged state of India? Answer D. 1975. Which is the first linguistic state of India? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh. Article 370 of the Constitution of India applicable in? Answer D. Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following is included in the Employee State Insurance Act 1948? Answer D. Medical benefit.